Namaste children. In the last session, I have given brief introduction to the first English lesson, that is the fun they had. Today, I will explain you the lesson in detail. Margie was having the habit of writing diary. So in her diary that day she had written that today Tommy found a real book. These type of real books she uh, came to know by her grandfather. For her grandfather, his grandfather used to tell about the real books because they used it. They used real kind of books. It was very funny for Tommy and Margie to know about real books. Why? Because texts were printed in this, and pages were turning, and yellow, crinkly. So these type of books were very funny for them, as they were familiar with telebooks, where the texts were scrolling on a screen. So they started discussing about the real book. So Tommy, he was very curious, and he didn't find any speciality in the real book. That's why he was very ignorant about this real kind of book. He said, he even said, "What a waste when you are through with a book, you just threw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away." Uh, why he was saying this is, these real kind of books were having pages, and once printed text, and once we read it, it is going to be waste. He was thinking in that way, but telebooks were not like that. We can have lot many books, and we need not to throw it away after reading. We can store it, but with the real book he didn't find this use. So only he was not interested in real books. Even Margie also same with me. She said for she replied him that same with me. She's a 11-year-old girl and Tommy was 13-year-old boy. She said, "Where did he find the book?" And Tommy replied that he found the real book in his house. He pointed without looking. He was uh, looking into the book, and he pointed somewhere without looking that side. He pointed the place where he found the book. In the attic, he said, in the attic. Attic is the place where you could have seen in your houses below the roof. One more roof will be there, that is called attic. We used to keep waste or unuseful things there. It is like a storeroom. So he even came to know about the schools. Margie was ignorant. Margie was not interested to know about schools. Why? Because she hated schools very much, and she don't want to write about schools. And it had been in the real book. They have written about the schools, and she thought that why we should write about school when it is a boring thing. Why should we write about that? She was not interested to write. She hated the schools. Behind this, there are so many reasons. Why? Because Margie, she always hated the school. Now she hated more than ever the mechanical teacher. The reason is her mechanical teacher. He had been giving her test on test, test after test, test after test. Why? Because she was doing worst in her geography. So she was getting more and more tests, and even it was very sad that she was scoring very less in that. She used to write tests in punch code methods. They were writing. The children in that time, in 2157, in next century, they used to write. They have to write in punch codes. So it was, they will be getting a training for that, to write, how to write in punch code method. Because of that, because of many tests, she was very uh, angry, and she did not like her school. And when she started getting worst grades in geography, and when she was writing the test again and again, her mother worried, and she called for county inspector. A county inspector is one who takes care, who takes care of a mechanical teacher. He was a round little man. He was having a red face, and having a box which is filled with tools and dials and wires. So when he came, he smiled at Margie because he was familiar. He was like friend with Margie. So he also gave her an apple and started his work, because he came there to take care of mechanical teacher. And while he repairing, well, while he was fixing the mechanical teacher, Margie thought that why he should take away this, why he should not take away the mechanical teacher. Uh, she was thinking this because she can be free for some times, and she wished that he should not get how to fix it and take away for sometimes. The inspector smiled when he finished his work, and he patted Maggie's head. He said to her mother that it is not Maggie's mistake. It was the mechanical teacher. His geography part was little geared up, means it become little fast. So now he had slowed down it, and he also said that now she could learn better. So because of all these things, Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping that mechanical teacher will be taken away, but he didn't. He resolved the problem here itself. That's why she hated her schools. Now, again, Tommy and Margie started their conversation. So only because of all these reasons, so only she said to Tommy that why would anyone write about school? Tommy looked at her. Why? Because he knew it that those schools are not like their schools which we are having now. It is different, and which they are going, that is different. Tommy looked at her and said, because it was not our kind of school, my dear, stupid. This is the old kind of school, which they used to go every day, 100 years ago, centuries ago. He was telling her carefully. Margie was hurt because he said stupid. She said, well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book, and she said that they also having teachers. She was boring because her mechanical teacher was giving test many tests now, so she was not interested in teachers. When she came to know by reading that book that they had teachers, she became more ignorant. Then, sure, Tommy wanted to tell her the truth. Yeah, sure, they had a teacher, but it was not mechanical teacher. It was a human. She became very curious. A man? How could a man be a teacher? This question came to her mind. How a man could teach? How he could be a teacher? It was very interesting for them now. She became more interestful. Why? Because her teacher was mechanical teacher, and here in the in their past, say many centuries ago, human were teachers. That's why she become more interestful, and they started with all these information, and they started reading the book more interestingly. He just he also starting more interestful information about the human teacher. He said that those human teachers were not living in our houses, they were having their own houses, and they were knowing more information. They used to tell girls and boys to do more, many more things, that is like homeworks. Tommy even said about the school, it was a different kind of school. He used to say, he was telling Margie about the old kind of schools where all the boys and girls were learning together. So it was very interesting for them because they are alone, they are learning alone in their houses with the mechanical teacher, and they found it different. He was saying that they all are they all were the same, with same age, but the Magi was not okay with the homeworks. But when she came to know about a human teacher, she wanted to know more. That's why she wanted to read the book. But Tommy was kidding her that if you are not interested, why you should read the book? But she said, I have to read. Meanwhile, her mother called her, but she was not yet finished. She was about half. Uh, she had read the book only half. Now, Margie said to Tommy, can I take the book to read completely? And Tommy agreed for that, but he was not much interested to share it, but he had given. And Margie went to her school, which is beside of her bedroom. So she went to school room, which is very near to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her because she has to attend the school in a fixed time every day. Uh, so a fixed time every day she has to go and learn, except Saturday and Sunday, as those days are holidays for her. Because her mother said little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. Her mother was believing that if children learn in a fixed time, the learning will be better. The screen was lit up, and it said when she went to mechanical teacher, the mechanical teacher got on, and he said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. When she went into her schoolroom, mechanical teacher said that what she has to learn that day, and he also asked for homework. Margie did so with a sigh. She was very bored with that teacher. That's why she was not happy. With a sigh, this is a sigh, and she had put her homework into the slot where it was given. She was thinking about the old schools. She started thinking about the old schools where they had lot of fun. They had, when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy, when they were going, that she started thinking about such schools. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came to the school with her grandfather's grandfather when they are little. So she started thinking about that. Why I should, why, and she wanted to go, she wanted to have such kind of schools where all the kids from the neighborhood came together and going together to the schools and laughing, shouting, and playing in the schoolyard, and sitting together, sharing lunch, and caring each other, and coming home back together. So all these type of things she wanted to her, and she also knew that they learned the same things. All the students learned same things. Say they could help everyone, each one. That's why she wanted to have such kind of schools. And the teacher were people, human. She thought that they could care a lot. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when she was thinking, while she was thinking about such schools, about the schools um, which we are having now. When we add fraction, half, and 1 by 2 and 1 by 4th, Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had, and even she wanted to have the same fun which the kids had in the old schools.